A tropical storm has killed 2 people, caused dam breaches, and forced tens of thousands to evacuate in southern China. Typhoon Maysak killed 2 people in Nanning, in China's southern Guangxi province. About 55,000 people were already affected by floods in Nanning, the capital of Guangxi region, and waters were overflowing or breaking through barriers at 3 reservoirs, the city's deputy mayor Guizhou said on Monday. Approximately 48,000 people were evacuated. Authorities raised the flood control emergency response to its highest level as a result of extremely heavy rain that they said could make things worse and hamper rescue efforts. Maysak, which lashed Vietnam and China's southern island province of Hunan over the weekend, will dump the water it sucked up on its way across the South China Sea as it weakens and heads inland, meteorologists say. Authorities in South China's Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region upgraded the region's flood warning to the red alert on Tuesday morning, warning that some small and medium-sized rivers and areas hit by torrential rain could experience major flooding. Meanwhile, major rescue operations remain underway, as the region has been hit by severe flooding in recent days. Affected by the remnants of Typhoon Maysak, heavy rainfall is expected to continue affecting inland areas across several Chinese provincial-level regions on Tuesday, which will also persist in parts of Guangxi. Following widespread rainfall over the weekend, soils in many areas are already near saturation, increasing the risk of rain-induced disasters, according to weather.com. About 170 miles, 270 kilometers, away in the city of Guigang, floodwaters turned a wide road into a lake, submerging cars and cascading in brown torrents down a hill into a building site. A video posted on the Chinese social media platform Douyin and verified by Reuters showed. The water level at Guigang Hydrological Station had risen to 42 meters by 12:30 p.m. 0430 Greenwich Mean Time, the Ministry of Water Resources said in a statement. Further south in Fangchenggang, another verified video showed a small car being washed down a street.
哦，麻烦了，麻烦了，撞到人家家了！哎，哦，完了，完了，完了，撞到人家家了！哦，流啊流啊流啊，来来来，流啊流啊流啊，就能欧呀！
The water rose to the level of another car's steering wheel, and a man could be seen struggling to keep his electric scooter from being swept away.
Hello， 各位领导同事，我们现在从云表安全出来了，我们透那个门出来了，我们5个人全部出来了，房间里面的全部安全。
Meanwhile, 5 people have died in heavy rains in northern China, including 2 people in a flash flood on Saturday evening in Inner Mongolia, and 3 others the same day in Fujian Liaoning province. China is also on alert for Super Typhoon Bavi, which is making its way across the Pacific Ocean towards Taiwan. The U.S. National Weather Service said it was packing winds of up to 180 miles per hour as it made its way across Guam, Tinian, Saipan, and Rota on Monday. Weather authorities warned that Bavi will bring strong winds and heavy rain to eastern China from Thursday, according to state agency Xinhua. China, the world's second-largest economy, faces growing threats from extreme weather, which meteorologists link to climate change. Analysts say weather-related risks each year stand to wipe out tens of billions of dollars worth of commercial activity as cities flood.
你看，1楼的铺面都快要满到广告牌了，怎么办呀？这次损失好大哦！ 所有车停在路边的，我看全部被水淹没了，怎么办啊？所有的车都被水淹没了，现在又停电了。
Industrial activity stalls and crops are submerged or washed away.